This is why you need to know about the 3 major video editing software options out there: Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. Each of these tools has its own unique strengths and weaknesses, and understanding them can make a huge difference in your editing workflow and final product. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, choosing the right software can save you time, money, and a lot of headaches. Let's dive into the details of each one, starting with Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is often considered the industry standard, especially for big projects and professional environments. It's widely used in Hollywood and by major production companies around the world. This software is known for its robust features and flexibility. One of the biggest advantages of Premiere Pro is its ability to handle complex projects with ease. Whether you're working on a feature film, a commercial, or a YouTube video, Premiere Pro has the tools you need to get the job done. Seamless integration with other Adobe apps like After Effects is a huge win. This means you can easily move your project between different Adobe software without any hassle, making your workflow much more efficient. This integration is particularly useful for adding visual effects, motion graphics, and other advanced elements to your videos. However, all these features come at a cost, but it can be pricey with a monthly subscription. Adobe's subscription model means you'll be paying a recurring fee, which can add up over time. This might be a deal breaker for some, especially if you're on a tight budget. Next, Final Cut Pro. This software is exclusive to Mac users and is known for its speed and efficiency. If you're working on a Mac, Final Cut Pro is definitely worth considering. Exclusive to Mac users, this one's a beast for speed. Final Cut Pro is optimized for Mac hardware, which means it runs incredibly fast and smooth. This can be a huge advantage when you're working on tight deadlines. Its magnetic timeline and background rendering save tons of time. The magnetic timeline is a unique feature that makes editing much more intuitive and less prone to errors. Plus, background rendering means you can keep working while your project renders in the background, saving you even more time. Another great thing about Final Cut Pro is that it's a one-time purchase. You pay once and you own the software forever. This can be a more economical option in the long run compared to subscription-based models. Lastly, DaVinci Resolve. This software is a game changer in the industry, offering a powerful free version that rivals many paid options. DaVinci Resolve is known for its advanced color correction and grading tools, which are some of the best in the industry. If you're serious about color grading, this software is a must-have. The free version of DaVinci Resolve includes almost all the features you need for professional editing, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. It combines professional editing, color correction, and audio post-production in one. So, which one's for you? The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Each software has its own strengths, and the best choice will depend on what you value most in your editing workflow. Happy editing, folks.